The origin of life is one of the big unanswered questions in science. It's almost up there with why are we here, but I don't think science can answer that one. A lot of interesting work has been done on the origins of life, but there's still a lot of unanswered questions. We're curious. It's a frontier, and we like to explore frontiers. It's like, why did we go to the moon? My idea is that life started between sheets of mica. Here's a little chunk of mica, and maybe you can see how there are piles of sheets stacked up on the surface. Here's a thin piece of mica that only has about 100,000 sheets stacked on top of each other, and my earrings have circles of mica. My idea, my hypothesis, is that the earliest biological molecules were sheltered between sheets of mica. That's the first part. And number two, maybe our cells have potassium inside them because life started between mica sheets, and we know mica sheets are held together by potassium ions. And number three is about another energy source for the origin of life. This is mechanical energy, or work that mica sheets do when they move up and down. Scientists are just starting to discover how this work can be used to make chemical bonds. It might be possible eventually to get good evidence for mica and the origin of life. I think most of that fits quite nicely between mica sheets. The RNA world and the lipid world and a lot of the chemical cycles could probably happen between all those mica sheets. I certainly will. I really like studying the origins of life and being a grandmother.